Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Indulge. Indulge means allow oneself to enjoy. For example, we indulged in some hot fudge sundaes. We indulged in some hot fudge sundaes. Synonyms: wallow in, give oneself up to, give way to.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. I am sure you indulge in a little pleasure now and then yourself. Now, repeat after me. I am sure you indulge in a little pleasure now and then yourself. The second exempli. They allow us, for a while, to indulge in a fantasy of futurism. Now, repeat after me. They allow us, for a while, to indulge in a fantasy of futurism. The third exempli. More importantly, food photography allows Tony to indulge in his passion for art. Now, repeat after me. More importantly, food photography allows Tony to indulge in his passion for art.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.